The zero conditional is used to express general truths or facts that are always true. It follows a simple pattern: if plus present tense, present tense. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. We use it to talk about things like scientific facts, rules, or habits that are always true. Here are some clear examples of zero conditional sentences. If you heat ice, it melts. If you freeze water, it becomes solid. If it rains, the grass gets wet. If you touch fire, it burns. Notice that both parts of the sentence use the present simple tense. The zero conditional sentence structure is straightforward. It has two parts, the if clause and the main clause. Both use the present simple tense. The pattern is if plus present simple, comma, then present simple. Sometimes, the word if can be replaced by when without changing the meaning. More examples help to understand the zero conditional better. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. If plants don't get water, they die. If you do not sleep enough, you feel tired. If babies are hungry, they cry. These examples show facts or results that are always true. Now try this exercise. Complete the sentence. If you blank water to 100 degrees Celsius, it blank. The correct words are heat and boils. Both verbs are in the present simple tense. This helps make the sentence a zero conditional stating a fact. The zero conditional is used in several important situations. Use it to express scientific facts and universal truths, like the sun rises in the east. It is also used to state rules and laws, describe habits and routines, and give instructions that depend on certain conditions. In zero conditional sentences, the order of the if clause and the main clause can change. For example, you can say if you heat water, it boils, or water boils if you heat it. Both sentences mean the same thing. Just remember to use a comma if the sentence begins with the if clause. To practice speaking or writing, use these example prompts. If I do not drink water, I feel thirsty. If you touch a hot stove, it burns you. If people study hard, they get good grades. If it is sunny, we eat outside. If dogs hear a noise, they bark. Make your own sentences based on similar ideas.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.